All right, so let's talk a little more in detail about asymptotes and about these limits that we're talking about. So you're going to see notation that looks like this. And it means as x approaches from the right. So for instance, as x goes to -2, actually, let's start on this side so that we can actually look at the right. Okay, so as x is going to 2 from this side, so from the right side, and when I say 2, let me redraw that so that the line is correct. So from the right means I start over here, and I'm getting close to this line of 2, okay? It's going up, so y goes to infinity. Whereas over on this side, from the left, so from the left, hey, it's also going up. Okay. Looking, so checking out that vertical asymptote right there. From the right, it's going this way, so it's actually going down. So I would say as x goes to -2 from the right, y goes to -infinity. And when x goes to 2 from the left, then y also goes to -infinity. The more we do those, the more those make sense. So remember, that's your first time being exposed to that. It's okay. All right, so remember we always write vertical asymptotes in the form of x equals c, where x equals a number. So the inappropriate way would say x equals a number symbol. So if you know that as a number symbol, that's fine. So don't write y equals is what I'm telling you. Okay, so horizontal ones are always written as y equals b. Again, I am not super focused on the limits just yet, but the graph will tend to go towards a b along the line. So if I look at this example, the vertical asymptote is at x equals 3. That's the important piece here. And that the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 1. Okay. Sometimes I use Hoy Vox as a memory tool. So that means when I have a horizontal line, the slope is 0. That part's not really relevant right now, and it's in the form y equals a number. Whereas, v is for vertical. The slope is undefined. That's why there's a u there. And then it's x equals a number in terms of remembering which one's which, okay? Because sometimes I know people get that confused. If you have your own little whatever, that's cool too. All right. And then, you know what? I'm actually going to make our next video a aspire to do. So if you want to know about slant asymptotes, stay tuned for the next video. If you don't care, skip it and move on.